Hi there, students. To gravitate. Well, this comes from gravity, the force of gravity. Newton's law of gravity. Let's see. To gravitate towards something, to be attracted by it, to move towards it, to tend to become involved in it. So very often when there's a party, people seem to gravitate towards the kitchen. They gravitate to the kitchen. So it's to move in the direction of something. In summer, people gravitate towards the coast and the beaches because it's hot. Okay, so to move generally in a direction. People gravitated, or people gravitate to the bar after work finishes. Okay, so it's to be attracted to something. People gravitate, are gravitating towards interesting new kinds of food. Yeah, they're being attracted to something that is desirable, it's fashionable, it's good. Yeah, people seem to gravitate towards him. They seem to be attracted by him. Okay, so it's got this idea of being attracted to, because gravity, they say, is a force of attraction. Yeah, but to gravitate towards someone or something, to be attracted by, to have to move in that direction. So you can also use this with the idea of to lean towards. So the conversation gravitated towards sport. Yeah, his ideas gravitate to a more right-wing point of view. Yeah, to move towards, yeah, to go in the direction of, to lean towards. Whenever I'm with my friends, the conversation gravitates to philosophy, one of my favorite subjects. In recent years, students have been gravitating towards more scientific studies. Yeah, I guess they've been gravitating away from the arts as well. I guess you could use away from, but normally to gravitate towards, to move in the direction of, to tend, to lean, to be pulled, to be influenced, to be attracted by it. Okay, so to gravitate towards something. Let's see, you can technically use this verb to gravitate, meaning to move under the force of gravity, but that's pretty weird. The apple gravitated onto Isaac Newton's head. I guess you could use it, but it sounds really weird. Yeah. The children gravitated towards the garden where they were able to do what they wanted to do without any problems from the adults. So it's just to be moved towards something, to be attracted by, a natural inclination. So yeah, young people gravitate towards people who are strong leaders. Yeah, they're attracted by them. They go towards them. Okay, so yeah, to be drawn, as if there is a strong impulse to do this, to go in the direction of, to be attracted by, to have a natural tendency to go towards something. So when people are shopping, very often they gravitate to the cheapest product or the best value for money products. Okay, so to gravitate to. Let's see, formality, to gravitate to. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, maybe 6.5. I wouldn't use it informally. I think use it in a semi-formal conversation, or semi-formal or formal writing. Notice with the preposition to or towards. I guess away from as well might be possible. And then as to origin, well, this is New Latin. Yeah, it comes from New Latin, gravitare. Yeah, to fall under the influence of gravity. But originally it comes from Latin, gravis, meaning heavy. So something that's heavy is falls, that falls. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To gravitate to gravitate towards something.